atomic imperfections. The defect produced when one or more atoms or ions leave their normally ordered positions in the crystal lattice structure is called a point defect. Point defects are of three kinds: Schottky defects, Frenkel defects, substitutional disorder. Schottky defects. The vacancy or hole created when an atom or ion is missing from its normal site in the crystal lattice is called Schottky defect. In stoichiometric ionic crystal, loss of one anion is accompanied by loss of one cation in order to maintain the neutral charge in the crystal. Such equal number of cation and anion vacancies are found in alkali halide crystals. Schottky defects decreases the density of a crystal as vacant sites are created in the crystal. In sodium chloride crystal, there are about 10⁶ Schottky pairs per cubic centimeter at room temperature. In 1 cubic centimeter volume, there are about 10⁻²² ions. Therefore, there is one Schottky defect per 10⁻XVI ions. Frenkel defects. When an atom or ion leaves its normal lattice site, creating a hole and occupies a vacant interstitial site, the defect produced is called a Frenkel defect. Solids tend to produce such defects when the size difference between cation and anion is relatively large. Generally, cations are smaller in size than anions, hence cations are found in the interstitial positions. For example, in silver chloride crystal, silver ions being smaller than chloride ions occupy the interstitial voids. This creates a hole in the lattice, which is filled up by a neighboring ion. Due to this, new hole is created which gets filled up by another ion. Thus, delocalization of ions and corresponding movement of holes, which is shown by yellow circles, take place in opposite direction inside a crystal. This takes place throughout the solid. Frenkel defects do not alter the density of solids as ions only interchange their positions. But Frenkel defects are not found in the pure alkali halide crystals such as sodium chloride, because the size of alkali ion is larger than the size of interstitial sites. Substitutional disorder. When the atoms which generally occupy their normal sites in the crystal lattice exchange their lattice sites mutually, then a substitutional disorder defect is created. Such defects are found in the Cu-Au alloy.